For this installation, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. We'll begin under the hood. To access the passenger headlight bulb, we'll need to remove the air filter. Unscrew the 3 bolts on the top and move the filter over. Turn the bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Gently pull apart the 2 clips holding in the plug. Replace with the LED. This bulb is polarity sensitive, so if it doesn't light, unplug it and turn the plug 180 degrees before plugging it back in. Insert the LED into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock it. Replace the dust cover and then replace the air filter and tighten the 3 screws. Here's what the LEDs look like compared to the stock halogen bulbs. When we measure the lux with our light meter, you can see the LED is more than 5 times brighter than the halogen bulb, with a pure white 6000K color.